Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Assistant app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. First we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Display Options menu. Next we need to scroll down to Navigation bar menu. And here we have our Assistant app option. So what does this function do exactly? We have very short explanation. Swipe inward from one of the bottom corners to to open your digital assistant app. So we can turn the option on here. By default, it's on. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.